Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Demi Lovato, what she says. So let's start the video without wasting your time. Demi Lovato comes out as non-binary and reveals pronouns are they them. The singer said they feel non-binary best represent the fluidity I feel in my gender expression. Demi Lovato identifies as non-binary. They have confirmed in a statement. The singer, 28 years old, confirmed that they wish to use the pronouns they them for now on, adding that they feel this best reflects the fluidity I feel in my gender expression and allow me to feel most authentic and true to the person I both know I am and still am discovering. Writing in a statement this morning, the Cool for the Summer hitmaker told their followers on Instagram, every day we wake up and we are given another opportunity and chance to be who we want and wish to be. I have spent the majority of my life growing in front of all of you. You have seen the good, the bad and everything in between. Not only has my life been a journey for myself, I was also living for those on the other side of cameras. They added, today is a day I am so happy to share more of my life with you all. I am proud to let you know that identify as non-binary and will officially be changing my pronouns to they them moving forward. This has come after a lot of healing and self-reflection work. I am still learning and coming into myself, and I don't claim to be an expert or as a spokesperson. Sharing this with you now opens another level of vulnerability for me. I am doing this for those out there that haven't been able to share who they truly are with their loved ones. Please keep living in your truths, and now and know I am sending as much love your way. Alongside the written caption, they shared a teaser for new podcast series 4D in which they explained over the past year and a half I have been doing some healing and self-reflective work, and through this work I have had the revelation that I identify as non-binary. With that said, I will officially be changing my pronouns to they them. I feel that this is the best represent the fluidity I feel in my gender expression and allow me to feel most authentic and true to the person I both know and I am still am discovering. I want to make it clear that I am still learning and coming into myself. I don't claim to be an expert or spokesperson. The singer spoke to Glamour in March about embracing their queerness as they got older. When I started getting older, I started realize how queer I really am. They said in the magazine interview, this past year I was engaged to a man, and when it didn't work, I was like, this is a huge sign. I thought I was going to spend my life with someone. Now that I wasn't going to, I felt this sense of relief that I could live my truth. I hooked up with a girl and was like, I look like a lot more. It felt better. It felt right. Some of the guys I was hanging with, when it would come time to be sexual intimate, I would have this kind of visceral reaction. Like, I don't want to put my mouth there. It wasn't even based on the person it was with. I just found myself really appreciating the friendships of those people more than the romance, and I didn't want the romance from anybody of the opposite gender. The singer had an intense few years after suffering an overdose in 2018, where they were left for dead and horrifically assaulted by their heroin dealer. They have been working on their sobriety ever since. A journey they explore in new YouTube documentary Dancing with the Devil.